Embracing the digital nomad lifestyle means reveling in the freedom and flexibility of a life untethered. Traveling light not only makes transportation more manageable, but also leaves room for spontaneous adventures. Strategic packing ensures you're equipped with the essentials while avoiding unnecessary baggage. High-quality laptop. Choose a model that matches your work needs, whether it's lightweight for portability or powerful for demanding tasks. Reliable smartphone. This is your key tool for communication, navigation, and research. Invest in a durable and efficient model. Portable charger and power adapter. Ensure you're always charged, regardless of destination or outlet type. Noise-canceling headphones. Essential for focused work and relaxing during travel. External hard drive or cloud storage. Back up your files to safeguard your work. Universal travel SIM or eSIM. Stay connected wherever you go without hassle. Lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics. These pack easily and dry quickly, perfect for diverse climates. Neutral colors. Opt for a palette that's easy to mix and match for different occasions. Layering pieces include items like a lightweight jacket or sweater for variable weather. Statement pieces. Pack a few standout items for special events or cultural experiences. Comfortable footwear. A pair of versatile shoes and flip-flops or sandals will cover most needs. Travel-size toiletries. Compact and TSA-friendly. These keep you fresh on the go. First aid kit. Include essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any personal medications. Comfort items. A neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs can transform long journeys into restful experiences. Essential documents. Keep your passport, visa, travel insurance, and any other critical paperwork in a secure, easily accessible pouch. Reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated while reducing waste. Use packing cubes. These are excellent for keeping your belongings organized and maximizing suitcase space. Roll your clothes. This saves space and minimizes wrinkles. Stick to a checklist. Create a packing checklist and adhere to it, ensuring you don't leave behind crucial items. Carry essentials in your personal bag. Keep valuable items like tech gear, documents, and toiletries in your carry-on for easy access. Weigh your luggage. Stay within airline limits to avoid surprises at the airport. Packing strategically and traveling light ensures you're prepared for whatever the digital nomad lifestyle throws your way. With the right essentials, you can focus on embracing new destinations and experiences, the true essence of being a digital nomad.